How can you start speak in English language? I know that you want to speak English language. That's why you click this video. So I know that you are a beginner or advanced person. You are trying to speak in this language. I know this is it means you have to face lot of the problems in your initial days, in your beginning days for the English speaking. I know, but you know that speaking English is not just a play. This is a little bit difficult for beginner. You know, when I was try to learn this language, then I also faced lots of problem in my beginning level. So face, it means doing face the problems, and your English speaking fluency going on good, because until, it means as long as you are don't face, you won't face the problem of the English speaking, then how are you speaking English language? Because this is a good thing. Sorry, because my noise, some of the noise maybe you heard, so this is not my problem. You know that. So first, my name is Karan, and you are watching English with Karan YouTube channel. So in this video I want to share a lot of the thing for English speaking, and I'm English speaker, not a very professional, but I am also beginner and go to the advanced level English speaking. So if you want to speak English language, if you want to idea to speak this language, and if you want to try to speak this language, so this video is for you. So please watch very carefully, very focus on this video. So first, you know that in the beginning level, everyone person has faced, encountered lot of the problems, like sometimes feel shyness, sometimes feel hesitate to speak English language, sometimes one family judge, you are doing very bad, your English is not good, like इंग्लिश बोलने से क्या होता है. सो प्लीज़ उनकी बातों को अवॉइड करो, क्योंकि वो तुम्हें, तुम्हारे जो भी घर फैमिली या रिलेटिव या तुम्हारे दोस्त बोल रहे हैं ना कि इंग्लिश बोलने से क्या होता है, वो तुम्हें नीचे गिराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तुम उनको बोलना नहीं आता क्या होता बोल रहे हो, थोड़ा सा एक सेंटेंस बोल के बताओ, बोलो उसे, है ना. तो दिस इज अ बैड थिंग दैट इफ योर रिलेटिव जज यू, if you try to speak English language and still your relative are judging you, so this is a very bad thing, because this is your relative problems, this is not your problems. And your avoid here your relatives convince relative opinions, forget, and remove all the avoid all the and remove all the negotiations and communications with them, because he don't want to look you that you go ahead in your life. That's why your relative, your family members are judging you. So please don't hear lot of the things and lot them with them, because this is a very bad thing. And first, this is the main problem. I have faced this problem. This is my private it means this is my personal problem. I want to share you this video. You know, then most of the time you think that how can I improve my English very fast? But still, brother, English speaking is a not very fast, English learning is a not very fast. Approximately, if you want to speak English language, if you want to understand very basic knowledge about English language, so for the learn this language, in your beginning days you have encountered a lot of the problems, I am also told you that. But still, you know that if you try to speak, then you feel shyness, this is the main problem. But still, you will have to try to speak this language, because when you are try to speak this language, then your hesitations, your shyness get a read, it means remove and overcome your hesitations. And I'm suggest you that most of the time you'll have to try to speak publicly, whether public are judge you, look you, no matter, no matter what, you'll have to learn this language, because this language is a totally and extremely important for these days nowadays. So please try to speak English language, because until when are you are not try to speak this language, you couldn't able to speak this language. you won't able to speak this language, because this language is a not only the speaking but also this is a listening, understanding the vocabularies. Lot of the vocabularies you hear in your initial days, like when you go to the school, then your teacher, then your ma'am teach you like English subject, then you most of the time you'll have to ask them like, ma'am, what's the meaning about this word, this vocabularies, and how kind of the we are pronouncing this vocabularies, how can I pronounce this word lot of the times, and how this is the meaning. So this kind of the thing you can ask your teacher, your ma'am and sir. So I'm also beginner, that's why my English sometimes is stuck, I stay, sometimes my English is not good. So this is a my it means I also face, I'm also facing this problem right now, you know that. So don't it means don't pay attention in your family relative, what are you saying your family, no matter why, no matter why, you will have to learn this language, you know that. And after that it means afterward faced this problem, and after getting faced this problem and encountered these problems, you will have to face major problems like pronunciation, like word meanings, like how to uh, complete the one sentences. So please, firstly you will have to learn the basic grammar rules, like you can learn tenses. First, tenses is a 70% use in English language. Tenses is a, this is the most important thing. It means if you don't able to learn the tenses, you couldn't able to speak this language, because tenses is the most important thing, most necessary. If you wouldn't able to speak this language, because tense is the base of the base of the English. So first you'll have to learn the basic grammar rules like tenses, and afterward interjections, prepositions, this is a major thing, like what is the in, how can you use the in, on, into, them, okay, like merely, nearly, like at least, approximately. This is the kind of the things, like if you want to pronounce a lot of the words, and like into, on, I'm also told you that interjection like bravo, alash. So this is a like if you want to give the your face expressions, your emotions, then you can use that. It means you want to congratulate any one persons, so you can say that bravo, this is a very bravo, you have won the match, bravo. So this is a bravo, like a, if you want to congratulate them, so this is a good thing. And like a sadness, like alas, you can say alas, this is a very bad thing, alas. So this is a alas, this is a interjections. So this is the kind of the things you can do and you can think. It means, and the conjunctions like connect the word, like meanwhile, this is a like a connection word, like meanwhile, usi beach, meanwhile. So there's a lot of the connection words, like a linking word, like in the other hand, like in the other hand, in the other word, दूसरे शब्दों में, दूसरे हाथों में, ऐसे है ना। तो ये वर्ड्स को आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, ओके। तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग यू कैन डू, and then your English will improve. So if you like this video, so please subscribe and follow this channel. Thank you for watching, and I meet you next video again. Thank you.